Design Center is a new facility that's housed within the Visual Pak corporate offices that's set up for packaging design services for our customers and the various divisions of Visual Pak. Well, the Design Center is unique in that most design centers are focused on creating packaging designs and structures for just one type of product, but here in the Design Center we can design packaging structures for corrugated materials, for paperboard materials, and then do conceptual design work for thermoform materials as well.
We have a lot of capacity to do different designs. We have a lot of space on the table. We can cut pretty large samples, and it's a very precise instrument, so we can do designs that are more intricate, or we can do just basic designs as well.
Well, here on site we have a brand new Kongsberg cutting table. This is a machine that is built in Germany. This machine basically cuts and creases corrugated board and paperboard. We have the equipment capable on this cutting table to cut materials from as thin as 5/1000ths of an inch all the way up to cutting and creasing materials that are 3/8 of an inch in thickness. With the equipment that we have, we can calibrate the machine to cut and crease just about any material and create unique and specific designs for our customers.
We use a CAD system called Ardios CAD, and in there we basically design in the same way that you would sketch out a design. We design flat, and then we convert that to a 3D using the table.
We also have CAPE software for laying out palletizing schematics for palletizing products on our shop floor. These two types of software come from the same supplier, and we're able to optimize not only the materials that go into customers' product, but also optimize how they're loaded onto the pallets. Directionally, where we want to take the Design Center is to really improve speed to market for our customers. We're finding out that with the Design Center in place, that projects that used to take 3 to 4 weeks are taking literally 2 to 3 days.
I think the Design Center is going to be a very valuable resource, especially for startup companies that don't necessarily have a designated design team for their packaging. So essentially we can provide those services as well as the packaging itself. I think what this Design Center has is really unique is the sort of versatility that we have, because we can create so many different packages and we have so many different options that we can offer to people. And I think a big part of growth for us is going to be creating an awareness of that, so that people know that they can come to us for just about any packaging solution they may need.